Now if we look at Detective, you're doing really well with this one. The only thing I would say, if you play it through, really look at the dynamics. So at the beginning, make it as quiet and as sort of mysterious as you can. Really just quiet. I'm not going too fast at this stage. And now I'm going to start to get louder. So use the left hand to grow the music. And then in bar 12 it gets quieter again, but it's not as quiet as it was at the beginning. And then the last two bars get quieter and slower. Now at the end of this line, let go in both hands and start the next line. I'm taking a bit too long over it, but the next line starts afresh and much louder. And back up to the first speed. Then it slows down again. And then it gets quicker and much softer in the left hand. Count the last note, 2, 3, 4, until you release it. Okay, so there's quite a lot of complicated changes of speed here. So this one, we slow down, let go both hands, and then start the next line afresh, a little bit louder. Our tempo means back to your first speed, so the speed you started at the beginning, which is not easy to do after you've done a slowing down. You've got to pick the speed back up again. But then we get another writ just for one bar, and then we pick the speed up again to finish, but it needs to go a lot quieter as well. So I'll do it again without so much talking this time, because you're not supposed to stop as long as I stopped. So I'll go from the MP bar, which is bar 13. Okay, and hopefully you could hear, if you were listening quietly, that single A just at the end. That's very effective, that you hear that note just holding on. It sort of adds to that mystery, right? So count that last semi-breve, the full 4 beats before you release the key.